So we've got another scenario where they're asking us to write the equation of a circle, but this time the information they give us is they describe a translation. Okay, we looked at translating functions before. We're going to move these circles. All right, so let's think about this. We've got a circle. Just because you put it on the table doesn't mean I can't see it. Put it up. We've got a circle, okay? We are moving it somewhere else, okay? For example, in number 6, we're translating it 5 units right and 5 units down. We're not changing the shape of the circle at all, okay? We're not changing the shape. We're just moving its location. So the only part of the equation that will change are these numbers right here, okay? With the x and with the y. The radius over here on the right side is not going to change. Because, again, we're not changing the size of the circle, we're just changing its location. So I think the easiest thing to do here is to identify the original center. Okay, if we're looking at number 6, what is the center of that circle in number 6? What is the original center there? What's the x-coordinate? Positive 10. What's the y-coordinate? Negative 13. Okay, remember we change the sign when we take those out. So the original center is positive 10, negative 13. Okay, if we take that center and we move it 5 units right, okay, if we move it 5 units right, what is our new center going to be? Okay, 15. And then we also move it 5 units down. So where are we going to end up with in the negative 18? Okay, so right and left changes our x-coordinate. Up and down changes our y-coordinate. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to write my new equation. X minus 15 squared plus y plus 18. Remember, you have to change the signs. Squared equals 16. That part does not change. We're not changing the shape or the size. We're only changing the location. So we identified the new center. Just for practice, what is our radius here? The radius is 4. Okay, the radius is 4. So that's what I want you to do with 1 through 5 there. I want you to identify the original center. I want you to move it, write your equation, and then identify your radius. Yes, sir. Yes. The size of the circle is not changing. We're just shifting it around. So the radius squared does not change.